Hi friends, welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. The first 4 videos of this channel, I'm going to be reading from my notes, as this is very important to many out there and I don't want to miss anything due to the importance of this material. I know many are hurting financially out there due to the pandemic and this info can potentially change your life and give you hope again. With that being said, let me also preface that although anybody can do this, I realize some can't for financial reasons, but listen to the end anyway because if you can't do it, maybe a family member or friend can and you could partner up with them and split the profits. For example, if you don't have a pet such as a cat or dog or can't afford one or just can't get one due to your current living arrangements or just have pet allergies. Whatever the reason is, this info could still benefit you, so please listen to the rest of this video. Okay. One more thing, this can apply to cats, but I mention dogs mostly in these videos. Let's dive right into how to make money on YouTube. If you want to make lots of money, the fastest way possible, then just follow my simple 2-part formula. You may not like this formula at first, but when I show you proof of income from some of these YouTubers, then you will see what I'm about to disclose to you is indeed true. Now, let's get right to the good part. Part 1 of my success formula to make up to 1 million per year or more using YouTube is to find yourself a dog at the local animal shelter. Wait, just listen to me before you start laughing. Not just any dog. I want you to find a dog that displays the following. Look for a dog that displays a personality to you. Look for a dog that speaks. Yes, I know this sounds crazy but keep listening. When I mean find a dog that speaks, I don't mean to find a dog that barks a lot. There are actual dogs that sound like they are talking or singing to your commands or even by asking them a question. This type of dog is a gold mine on YouTube today. If you can find a dog, no matter what size. That doesn't matter. What really endears viewers is their personality. You don't have to appear on video either. You can simply have your voice on or you can always hide your face in editing. For example, a dog owner's channel I watch religiously, has a cute personality along with its sibling sister. Now, this dog loves to take baths, which is funny in itself because 99% of all dogs and cats hate taking a bath. That dog is making her master, get this, over 6 figures a month in less than 2 years, mind you. Do you see how to make money on YouTube now? That lady who doesn't even get on camera other than her voice talking to her 2 little dogs and her text captions of what her dogs are thinking or what she's saying are the stars of the show. You have thousands of ideas to simply copy and use on your new channel starring your new star. Now, you can have just one dog, or you can have a cat and dog or any combination thereof. People eat this up and they will subscribe much easier than you starting any other type of YouTube channel today. I know this because I've tried my fair share of them. Pets with personality and or talents such as acting funny or talking or singing reigns supreme on YouTube these days and will be the fastest way to making 30 grand a month inside of 6 months on average. Part 2 of the formula I use is the easy part. You can have the most precious, most talented dog on the planet. That means nothing if people can't find your videos, right? 500 million hours are uploaded every minute worldwide to YouTube. Therefore, I'm exposing my secret weapon here today that will get all your videos seen. The software I use and I highly recommend using, you'll find a link below in the description. Without that the success formula is meaningless. The search engine optimization software is that powerful, so get out and find yourself a dog or a cat or both and you will make 5 figures inside of 6 months. If I can make this happen, then anybody can make this happen too. I can't tell you how many businesses, YouTube channels I've failed at. It's really quite embarrassing to be honest, but when I tripped over this winning formula, I had to share with all my friends and create this channel to simply help others. I do this freely and don't ask for anything, well maybe just a like, and subscribe but that's pretty much free, right? I'm not technically advanced or a brain surgeon here, so there you have it. It's your easiest way to make 6 figures a month and over 1 million per year on YouTube. Now, let's look at the cold hard proof on the screen. I chose 4 examples but there are hundreds more. Pause the screen if you'd like to see what these channels are currently making. It's quite mind-bending if you ask me. Just look at what some of these dog owners are bringing in per month and what they are making in a year based on YouTube ad revenue. Also, look at the number of subscribers. Please note, you don't have to have 1 million subscribers to make 5 figures per month here. This is by far the easiest method I know of for the fastest financial freedom using YouTube. Now, this software that helps in YouTube search engine optimization can be used with any type of niche, but the pet niche is like no other. Sure, you can grab the search engine optimization software because it really works well, with any niche for those who can't get a pet right now. Getting back to my success formula here. If you apply my 2 simple parts to my success formula, money will never ever be a problem for you ever again. I know this isn't for everyone, as it costs money to take care of a pet, so please consider that first and foremost, but if you can. I just gave you the keys to your very own financial freedom for I hope most of you anyway. If you found this video at all helpful, then please give it a like and subscribe. I normally don't discuss ways to make money online with my channel here unless it works 100% of the time for me and for others. There's more than enough people in the world that you could have millions of these pet video channels to watch, so don't let that deter you now from doing. You will make money faster than anything else online. My formula works, plain and simple. The hard part is finding that unique personality you can make a star out of. Most of these YouTube pet stars are eating and living better than most humans. I kid you not. If you want me to divulge even more insider info like what type of dog breeds actually do well to pull in subscribers like a super magnet, then hit that like button and subscribe for more info next time. Let's all learn how to make money on YouTube together. Please check my description below for all my links to get started. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.